circulation. In this topic, up to last lecture, we have discussed about two different type of circulatory system as open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. In a closed circulatory system, the different components also we have discussed. The system was given by the scientist William Harvey. Closed circulatory system shows different component in the form of blood, heart, and third one is a blood vessel. Out of these three component, we have discussed about the blood. Blood, it is a main circulating fluid in the human body. The study of blood called as a hematology. Then detailed account we have about the blood as its component. In a component of blood, there is a presence of plasma and blood corpuscles. If we take the three different types of blood corpuscles are present inside the blood plasma. First, red blood cells, also called as erythrocytes. Second, WBC, also called as leukocytes. And third, blood platelets, also called as thrombocytes. Out of these three blood cells, we have discussed about the RBC. Then second type is WBC. If we take the WBC are also called as leukocytes, white blood corpuscles. The term leukocytes which came from the Greek word. Leukos means white and kaitos means cell. So leukocytes means white blood cells. If we take the leukocytes, those are colorless. They shows nucleus in their cell cytoplasm. The shape of cell is irregular, so we can say those are amoeboid in their shape. In the relation of nucleus, we have discussed RBCs are non-nucleated but WBCs are nucleated. In the red blood cells, camel shows nucleated RBC, but in rest of the mammal, RBCs are non-nucleated. If we take here the WBC, they shows a phagocytic in their nature. Then what is meant by phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is engulfment of foreign bodies. We have discussed previously about the phagocytosis and pinocytosis. These are the two different processes of endocytosis. Phagocytosis means engulfment of a solid material and pinocytosis means engulfment of liquid material. Here the phagocytosis is in the relation of fighting mechanism against the foreign bodies. Whenever any kind of foreign substance get entered inside the body, WBCs are going to engulf this foreign material when it makes antigen antibody complex. Instead of that, into the blood, the cells are present are on the verge of death. So such a type of worn out or dead cells present inside the body are also engulfed by the WBC. So they shows what? Phagocytic in their nature. WBCs are amoeboid in their shape. So they shows a special type of the amoeboid movement which helps them to squeeze out through the blood capillaries. And the process is called as what? Diaptasis. What is diaptasis then? Diaptasis is a amoeboid movement of WBC helps to squeeze out through the blood capillaries. This is a process of diaptasis. If we want to take more account about the WBC like RBCs also. Size of the WBC 8 to 15 micron in their diameter. The number of WBC is 5000 to 9000 per cubic millimeter of the blood. Here the amount of WBC it is very less compared to the RBC, because as we have discussed, RBC shows their amount of about 5.1 to 5.8 million per cubic millimeter of the blood in human male, and in female how many? 4.3 to 5.2 million per cubic millimeter of the blood. Here the number of WBC is very less compared to the RBC and is of about only 5000 to 9000 per cubic millimeter of the blood. Now if we take the lifespan of WBC is only 3 to 4 days, and RBC which we have discussed is of about 120 days in circulating blood. Now if we take the process of formation of WBC, process of formation of a WBC is called as a leukopoiesis. What is the process of formation of WBC? It is a leukopoiesis. Then the organ in which WBCs are produced called as a leukopoietic organ, also called as the organ of formation of WBC, are present in the form of red bone marrow. That means the WBCs are produced in a red bone marrow, are also produced inside the other organs like spleen, tonsils, thymus and Peyer's patches. Tonsils are present into the throat region, is an organ, or we can say the modified lymphatic nodes. Those tonsils or lymphatic nodes are helpful to form Igs, or we can say the antibodies, which helps to fight against the infection of any kind of infectious organism to the throat. Instead of tonsils, the WBCs are produced in a thymus and in a Peyer's patches. These are the organs of what? Formation of WBC. The next one, whenever any kind of foreign organism get entered inside the body, as WBCs are helpful to fight against the infectious organism, their number is get increased. So increasing in the number of WBC is called as leukocytosis. What is leukocytosis? Increasing in the number of WBC is called as leukocytosis. In the same way, at some time the number of WBC get decreases than the normal range. What is the normal range? 5000 to 9000 per cubic millimeter. Beyond that, if it get increase, leukocytosis. Less than 5000, if it is get decreases, it is an leukopenia. So these are the two different conditions in the relation of WBC. The next, leukemia. Leukemia is also called as blood cancer. In that blood cancer, what happen actually? The pathological increase in the number of a WBC is called as a leukemia. Now see here, the leukocytosis and a leukemia, in both of the case there is increase in the number of WBC. But the difference is what? In a leukemia, the number of WBC get increases, and this increasing in the number of WBC is not under the control. That means this is an uncontrolled increase in the number of WBC is called as leukemia or blood cancer. Now, types of WBC. There are two different types of WBC, as granulocytes and agranulocytes, which we are going to study in a next lecture. It's all.